Hello, everybody. I am Deepshikha Rana from Quant Masters, and today we have one of our students, Praveen, who recently cleared TCS Ninja and got placed as a software engineer recently in the month of September. I mean, you would have got your offer letter in the past week itself, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Just before 2 days back, I will got the offer letter from TCS.
Okay, okay. Congratulations, heartiest congratulations to you, Praveen, from the entire team of Quant Masters.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
How was the experience?
A bit apart from aptitude, I was nervous, ma'am. Before that, I have joined Quant Masters regarding aptitude in the month of April, ma'am. Just
Okay,
the early morning classes a bit harsh my preparation, but it will help my interview coding questions, ma'am. That aptitude questions are
definitely.
very well. The motivation given by Himanshu sir, it's very well, ma'am. It's it's worked hard in that exam, ma'am. I have answered every question in a few seconds. That means 40 to 50 seconds I will answer it. I think so. Out of 15 questions, I have answered 12 to 13 aptitude questions very easily, ma'am. And verbal also, I have done very well in that clean ground, ma'am. I'm the one who placed my name is in top, ma'am, when the results are out for digital interview.
We are very proud of you, Praveen.
Yeah,
Many I have taken interview experience of many students, and they have mentioned this. Like when we are solving the questions, we don't need to use pen and paper for few questions.
yeah,
Like
ma'am.
Himanshu says, that statement, try to solve it without touching the pen, always is in the mind and revolves
Yes,
around
ma'am.
it. So
I applied for that in percentages calculation, ma'am. A bit question which I can solve in 15 seconds easily in the written test, ma'am.
that's so nice, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with you telling us something about yourself. Like how did you landed in TCS and also the department and the college you're from?
Yeah, ma'am. Myself, I am Praveen from the background of CSC in the University Vignan Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. I have pursuing currently in third year, but few days ago I have placed in TCS, which is a good company. Uh, my faculty and Himanshu sir helped me a lot in getting the success. Uh, the coding and the aptitude coming to my interview experience, I have when I was selected for interview, I have chat with the Himanshu sir regarding the TCS digital interview. He posted some of the digital content in the portal, which helped me a lot. I think so 80% questions will be from that interview, 4 videos, ma'am. It will very helpful in my interview to cracking. I didn't much know about machine learning, artificial intelligence, but they ask in questions in that areas means I will answer. I will able to answer that questions in a very well manner, ma'am. That's
That's so
pro.
nice, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am. I think so. Afternoon around 2 o'clock is my interview. I watched that videos around. I wake up at 6 o'clock and watched all the videos once for the backup of my knowledge, ma'am. It's helped me a lot into crack the interview, ma'am.
That's so nice, Praveen.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
I want to know, since you are from
Yes, ma'am.
CS background only, so I think programming would be a cakewalk for you. I mean, I
Yeah, ma'am.
presume that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So if programming was in was a cakewalk for you, which subject did you find was tough and you could not manage well on that? And how did you, manage between the both, your weaker area and the stronger area?
I am good. I am good at C programming and Java, ma'am. But they asked it in Python. I done one project in Python, minor project, ma'am. They focused
Mm-hmm.
main areas in Python. They asked it the question. You don't know telling the Python language, but you done the project in Python. How you done it? They asked so many questions in that areas, ma'am. But I take my help and help of my friends, and I was able to do the project. I explained a lot in clear manner, ma'am. But they
Mm-hmm.
asked one question means how do you learn in Python in the recent in coming days means I explained it means from the online resources, daily practicing some small projects, all things they have convinced, and that manner I have asked the questions they asked. uh, I
And
am I
yeah,
am
I wanted to ask you, like, which subject, like, if we talk about logical, verbal, apti, I mean, quant, HR, and technical, which domain was a tough thing for you?
For me, the tough thing was that machine learning, that concepts, ma'am.
Okay,
Python based concept.
okay. Technical concepts itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
they,
yeah, please go ahead.
that means they asked first, they gave the chance to me which languages you are comfortable to answer the questions. I tell C,
Mm-hmm.
Java, database management system, computer networks, operating systems. Ma'am. They asked many questions in that areas, and they have done a very well interview with the interviewers.
Okay, okay, fine. So, Praveen, I want to know, like, did you strategize? Did you plan before, starting your preparation for a different placement trainings, or you just went with the flow? Was it like that?
No, ma'am. I have planned with up to that I didn't up to I entered with the quant master. I didn't much worry about the placements, ma'am. After that, SAR gave early morning classes 6 to 8 that helped me a lot to crack, ma'am. That daily flow of work can able to cope up my daily way of work, ma'am. Just daily 3 hours or 4 hours work with the interview means it will help to crack any interview, ma'am.
Exactly, exactly,
Yes,
Praveen. Practice makes perfect. Exactly.
continuous consistency that work, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Consistency is very much important because today we are working 10 hours a day, and tomorrow we are just working 8 hours a day, and then
Yes,
it
ma'am.
goes on decreasing with the
Uh,
increasing number of days.
yes, ma'am.
So I think consistency is what makes you going and
Yes, ma'am.
what bears the fruitful results
Yes, ma'am.
at the end.
That means my friends are sleeping up to 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. I was able to wake up at 6 o'clock and watching the aptitude videos. And at night, I have to see programming classes. That makes the consistency in my work, ma'am. First few days are very hard to follow up, ma'am. But gradually, I able to cope up the work, ma'am.
Definitely, definitely. It's said that uh, if you are starting any journey, if it is difficult, the only difficulty lies at the start.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, if you have started, then it goes all easy. It's all easy for you then.
Yes, ma'am.
So starting 15, 20 days, you need, trying to acclimatize or adjust with the situations, and then it is a cakewalk. It's a smooth ride then,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And that's definitely there. So, Praveen, let's get into the rounds of TCS Ninja.
Okay, ma'am.
So, let's get into the first round first. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what was the first round?
For me, first round was TR, ma'am. On the same day, TR and M was done for 58 minutes, ma'am.
The
They have
technical. So,
technical
was
and
it
manager
written?
round, ma'am.
So, there was no aptitude round for you?
No, ma'am. For first of all, we have a written test, ma'am. In the written test, we have verbal questions, aptitude questions, and two programming questions, ma'am.
So
Uh,
that's what I'm telling. So
yeah,
first
ma'am.
round was their aptitude.
Yes, ma'am. Aptitude and verbal, and that two coding questions, which was the written exam, ma'am. They have
Hmm.
shortlisted some members to for the further rounds in interview, ma'am.
So
Uh,
let's talk about the first round. What were the question asked? What was the timing of each section?
uh, for 10 questions, they will give, for 15 questions, they will give 10 minutes in verbal, ma'am. For
Hmm.
aptitude, around 15 questions, for 30 minutes something time, ma'am. It's
So
also some good time for aptitude.
by aptitude, do you mean verb? I mean logical and quant.
Yes, ma'am. Logical, quant, that reasoning questions, all that came in that section, ma'am. 15
Okay,
questions. And
okay,
next two coding questions, ma'am.
okay. So do you remember what topics were asked in each section?
Uh, in quant and aptitude, they will ask the questions in percentages, time and work, profit
Mm-hmm.
loss, compound interests,
Mm-hmm.
and some questions related to blood and relations, conclusion type questions they will ask. Mainly they focused on that areas.
Generally, since you mentioned about the conclusions, in inferences,
Yes,
statements,
ma'am.
and all kind of questions, students find it quite difficult. What was the level of difficulty of such questions?
That means it's not easy and but not difficult. It is in average type of
Medium.
questions, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Practice needs to be done, is it?
Yes, ma'am. For practice,
Okay.
definitely need to there, ma'am. But the time is very low to answer all the questions, ma'am. If you
So
have
verbal,
practice, means easy. Verbal means
Yes, yes.
it purely depends upon our daily practice and our communication and our way of understanding the questions in that very small amount of time, ma'am. For 15
Exactly,
questions,
Praveen.
they give 10 minutes of time, ma'am.
So time constraint is there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so time constraint only matters if RC is there. Was reading comprehension there?
Yes, ma'am. For reading comprehension, they will give one entire paragraph, and with that paragraph, they will ask 2 to 3 questions only, ma'am.
So what was it lengthy, the paragraph?
Not too much lengthy, ma'am. Just medium. We have to read up to 3 to 4 minutes. We have to spend in that time.
And apart from RC, what are topics were asked in verbal?
Synonyms, antonyms, ma'am, and
Mm-hmm.
some speech, indirect speech, active voice, passive voice. One question from that areas,
Okay, okay.
and comprehensive passes.
Okay, fine, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
So so there were sectional timings as you mentioned,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Right after the aptitude, and that is all the three sections in aptitude, quant, verbal, and logical, you had the coding round in which there were two questions.
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the timing of the coding round?
For coding round, around 1 hour, ma'am.
Okay, 1 hour. So I suppose one of the questions would be easy and one would be difficult.
Yes, ma'am. One is very easy to answer the question, ma'am. Another is a bit difficult.
Do you remember the questions?
No, ma'am. I think so. So many.
So
It
that's
happened around
okay.
22 days back.
That's okay, Praveen. Do you
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
which topic was asked?
I think in some arrays, one question will ask it, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Another question is which is a very, that means um, river. Uh, Using third variable, we have to find temporary variable. We have to swap two numbers. That type of question they will ask it.
That's fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Praveen, you completed your first round successfully. After how many days did you get the mail
After,
for the second round?
after 20 days, after I will get the mail, shortlisted candidates.
For the technical round, right?
Yes, ma'am. For interview.
Okay. So how was your interview?
My interview for my panel, the interview got postponed for 2 times, ma'am. Uh,
Okay.
my friends, for the first day, our interview got postponed. Another day also, we sit around 12 o'clock and we get up at 9:30, ma'am. Our panel members, they didn't intimate, ma'am, but after 2 days, they will give the right schedule and we have performed very well. In our
Okay.
panel, many members are get placed in TCS, ma'am.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
So for 2 days they didn't intimate you about
Yes, ma'am.
it getting cancelled, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you kept waiting the whole day long for two
Yes,
days.
ma'am. For afternoon onwards, we have sit around 6 to 8 hours in front of laptop, and we have waiting for when our turn will come for interview, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Such a difficult and tiring thing to do, actually, to sit in front of the laptop all day long or
Yes,
a
ma'am.
screen, if we say. So, what was asked in your technical round?
In my technical round, they will mainly focus on projects what we have done previous in our semesters,
Mm-hmm,
ma'am.
mm-hmm,
They asked questions regarding what technologies we have implemented, uh, regarding the project, how we implemented in our real life.
mm-hmm.
All the questions they will ask regarding projects, ma'am. And they asked in the basics of the programming languages, that call by value, call by reference. They asked what is the
Mm-hmm,
difference between them, and give an example with oral way. And
mm-hmm.
in pointers, they will the concepts of pointers, use of pointers, and dangling pointer, uh, null pointer definition. They will ask so many questions, ma'am. And they they tell to write the code of a palindrome, some simple programs of a palindrome,
Okay. Okay.
prime numbers.
So it
Apart
was
from
all,
that,
yeah, it was all online for you, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So they told you to share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. They told us to open notepad and write in notepad the whole code, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So, I guess you also mentioned in the beginning that Python was asked to you and you didn't
Yes,
have any
ma'am.
experience on that.
uh, I think they asked me why didn't learn the Python, ma'am. I tell the answer to them. I work on Python for a coming semester, ma'am. They asked an immediate question, that means how you learn the Python language and what was your experience in learning Python, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
From online resources and implementing small projects, daily practicing about around small coding questions, we have to able to crack the that logic coding questions. I have answered it.
Okay, okay. So, Praveen, I want to know, were there any aptitude questions asked in a technical round?
No, ma'am, they didn't ask
No.
any questions regarding aptitude, ma'am.
Okay, so whatever you had mentioned in your CV, only that much was asked, nothing
Uh,
more than that.
they didn't see the CV also, ma'am.
Okay.
They give the chance to us, ma'am. First of all, after the immediate completion of our project explanation, they ask in what subjects you are comfortable to answer. You are
Mm-hmm.
strong, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Based on our answer, they will ask all the questions, ma'am.
Actually, that's the question. This question, after this question, that's when you can drive whole interview,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Just
From
don't give
there,
any answer
yes, ma'am.
if you don't know about the subject. Yes, please
From
continue.
from from there onwards, my interview gone up to 50 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I've heard that many students just try to, give out so many skill sets that they don't even have, just to show off. But,
Yes, ma'am.
they are the interviewers, they have taken interviews of thousands and
Yes,
ten
ma'am.
thousands of students.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
they know where you are lying and where you are trying to be
Yes,
honest.
ma'am.
So yeah, we need to be super honest with them.
Yes,
If we
ma'am.
don't know anything, just say it right away. Sir, I don't know, or ma'am, I don't know
Yes,
about
ma'am.
it.
That definitely helped a lot in that interview, ma'am. What answers we have tell means that in that areas only they will test our knowledge, ma'am. They ask purely
Exactly.
our they ask purely our basics and a bit some moderate questions, ma'am.
Mhm.
They touch all the subjects what I have taught to them, what I have taught. Uh,
Exactly, Praveen.
yes, ma'am.
So, your interview was for about how
My
many
interview
minutes?
done about 50 plus minutes, ma'am. 50 to
50 plus
55
minutes.
minutes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I am the last
So,
slot and last person to have faced the interview on that day.
so it was a chill kind of atmosphere, or
Uh,
was there some tension?
no, ma'am. I am very. It's my first interview. I bit scared, ma'am. But the interviewers are very friendly and they adapt my environment and they encourage to tell the answers. That environment was established between us, ma'am, at the time
That's
of
so
interview.
nice. That's
Yes,
so
ma'am.
nice, Praveen. And after how many days did you get the intimation for the HR round?
After 2 days, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Uh, yes,
After
ma'am.
2 days of your technical, your HR round was held.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was asked in the HR round?
In HR round, they will ask about my personal introduction, personal information,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Regarding the company, some specific kind of company things, ma'am. And
Mm-hmm.
again, our hobbies, they will mainly focus on my hobbies, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Regarding certificates and all things, they will ask me. But HR was first he asked to show the Aadhaar card and he turned around my in the room for 15 minutes, ma'am, to show the Aadhaar card not visible. I think so.
Oh,
He's checking patience of all the students, ma'am. Same kind of
yes,
thing
they
will to my.
definitely, because you have to work under pressure at times.
Yes,
So they
ma'am.
would definitely check it. They have to check you in all the aspects,
Yes,
actually.
ma'am.
They'll
Uh,
check your patience, they'll check how you are communicating, they'll check how you are delivering the content.
yes, ma'am.
So they'll check everything.
When I was logging in laptop, ma'am, all the content and all these settings was fine, ma'am. But he's telling the audio was not able to understand. He typed the message, ma'am, and he again put the message to log in mobile phone, ma'am. Again he tell to log in laptop and he for around he from there and here he will move on me, ma'am. He check all the
Yeah,
patients, ma'am.
I had an interaction with one of the students who told me the same, that they tried to make her nervous,
Yes, ma'am.
but she didn't get nervous.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah, that's definitely there. You don't need to be nervous. They will be checking you.
yes, ma'am.
So yeah, from every aspect they'll be checking you. If they're telling that the sound is not proper, we are not able to see you,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
this is correct, the system or the settings from your end are correct, still be very patient and don't be, abrupt and say, sir, it is correct from my end. Just say, yes, sir, I am working on it. I'll do the settings and
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it gets better.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Same thing was done.
Nice, Praveen. So okay, after your HR round, yeah, you mentioned that they asked you about the company as well.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Who
have you
is
done
this?
the background check?
Yes, ma'am. From my friends, they will ask. I gathered some questions regarding company, ma'am. What they ask: who is the CEO of TCS,
Okay.
and what are the projects that are TCS doing? That
Mm-hmm.
kind of questions they will ask.
So yeah, it is very important to, know about the company you are
Yes,
entering
ma'am.
into, the job description
Uh,
as well, and what technologies the company is using, what products is
yes,
it
ma'am.
launching. So it's very important.
Yes, ma'am. One question they ask: what if you didn't selected in TCS? What you had to do? That
Mm-hmm.
questions they ask it.
This is to create a pressure on you and know how you will answer to
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question. Yes, definitely. Praveen, so I think you have covered almost everything of TCS Ninja interview of yours. So can you please like guide the students who are preparing for TCS Ninja on the similar lines with some suggestions or key takeaways?
That means they mainly focus on our basic level of concepts, ma'am. If we know all the basics, means they definitely ask the basics,
Mhm.
ma'am. They check all the basic content of the student, ma'am.
Okay.
For example, in the C programming, we have to mention in that particular area of language. We know all the basics and programming content in a very well mannered manner. They definitely ask the questions in from that basics of C, ma'am. If you mention
Okay.
DBMS, means they will ask the contents of DBMS, ma'am. They definitely,
Exactly.
yes, ma'am. All that things will happen, ma'am. Daily practice and daily just half an hour also we have to prepare, means it will good, ma'am. Continuously prepare one day for 10 hours, it didn't work much a lot to for any student, ma'am. If for daily half an hour also we work, means we will be able to crack, ma'am.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you, Praveen, for coming here and sharing your interview experience with us. All the best to you for your future and all the best to the students who are looking out for the
Yes,
information
ma'am.
on the similar lines.
Ma'am, one more thing. A few days ago, we have done with HCL written test, ma'am. There
Okay.
also we have many aptitude questions I was able to solve, and I was selected for interview, ma'am. The interview was able to done it uh, coming 3 to 4 days, ma'am.
That's so nice, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations to you for that as well. I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you get through
Yes, ma'am.
and do share with us the news, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Praveen. So all the best to everybody and have a good night.
Good night, ma'am.